I'm freezing.
Battle up. Alright, don't leave me. Don't tell me battle her and then leave me and go support her.
Yes, everybody leave him and come.
No, that don't make any sense. Y'all stay over here.
Thanks.
She's wearing a muumuu. Y'all like her muumuu?
Yeah, so that's why you should come over here and support me inside.
She said, I don't give you no excuse to go over there. She just wants to be. She wants to be Marshall Lee so bad. She wants y'all to go support her, so she wear a muumuu for y'all.
No, he forced me to wear this.
I did. She look good in a muumuu.
It's so comfortable.
Hey, times 3, yo. Let me get a money gun. Let me get something, bro. It's times 3.
Times 3.
Well, you got 5 seconds.
Tap the screen, y'all. Don't let us win. Alright, don't let us win. Don't let us win.
Oh, yeah.
Don't let him win.
Yeah, don't let her win. That's what she said. Hello from the islands of Guam. What's up, Pacific 671? Can you follow me, please?